Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and good. Today I'm not feeling too good. I'm currently sick. Yeah, so I thought I would do a colorful makeup eye look just to improve my mood a tiny bit and help me to feel better. So let's get started with the video. Yay! So I've just cleansed my face with the Berliner Co cleansing balm, and I'm about to go in with my all-time favorite cleanser. It's the Claire Supple Preparation Toner, and I love this so much. It's amazing. I love her. So I'm just going to apply this to my face around 5 times, and you'll see my skin ends up dewy, bouncy, and just so soft. I love it. Yes. So now I'm going to go in with a sheet mask. This is from the brand Pew, and it's a strawberry yogurt sheet mask, and it looks so cool, and here I am drinking it. Like and subscribe. So yeah, I'm about to open up the sheet mask, and I realize you open it from the bottom. There you go, folks. Yeah, there we go. So I'm just going to open it up and apply it to my face. This mask smells incredible. Oh, smells so good. Smells like strawberries. Yes, so the reason I love this mask is very light. The essence is so easily absorbed, so it's perfect for the daytime. I'm going to leave it on my face for around 10 minutes and let it soak into my skin. Yeah. And the essence, as I said before, is so light, so easily absorbed, and I love it because your makeup goes on so smooth afterwards. Let's get started. Ooh. So this look was inspired by these 2 highlighters. The first one is the Ofer x Nikki Tutorials in the shade Cloud 9, and it has this gorgeous pink duochrome shift to it, which I love. And the next one is from the brand Artist Couture in the shade Supernova. Now I want you to see my amazing swatch skills. Yeah, I genuinely just did that on camera. So I've just done my eyebrows off camera, and I'm about to go in with my concealer for underneath my eyes. I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Biscuit, and just go in with my Gudetama sponge, which is so good, and it was only £2, and here I am just spritzing it before I apply it to my face. Today's look, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu palette, and then the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to start with this light pink shade. And I forgot to prime my lids, which I need to do, especially for a colourful look, so don't forget to prime your lids, people. So lids are all primed, and I'm just going to go in with that pink shade, and I'm just going to buff it into my crease as a nice light transition shade, and just keep buffing. So now I'm going to go in with this lovely pink shade from the Zulu palette, and I'm just going to work that into my outer corner. I love this palette so much because the pigment, yes. I'm just going to work that into my outer corner just to... I'm just going to cut my crease with this concealer from the same. I'm just going to go straight in with the doe foot applicator. This wasn't the cleanest application, and I kind of wish that I used less concealer, but it's all good. The crease is cut, you know. Now I'm going to go in with this lovely light purple shade on the other side and just blend it into my crease again as a transition, like I did on the pink side, and just keep blending. Now I'm going to go in with the nice lovely purple shade from the Juvia's palette, and again just go in my outer corner and also bring it underneath my lash line to deepen up this purple look. Now I'm going to go in with the ochre highlighter to highlight my brow bone on the pink side, and this is stunning as the brow bone highlighter. I love it so much. And I'm going to do the same with the Artist Couture highlighter on the purple side and also in my tear duct. This is so good. Now I've just cut both creases and applied highlighter to the concealer, and I'm about to go in with some highlight on the cheeks. Oh yes. So I love this highlighter. It goes so well with my skin tone. It's not too stark, not too bright, very wearable, and it just looks stunning. So yep, that's the ochre side. Now I'm going to go in with the Artist Couture side. Guys and girls, please strap in for this. It's about to get intergalactic. Look at that highlight. Oh, you can see me freaking out because it's so blinding. It has this gorgeous blue purple duochrome shift, and yeah, it's stunning. I absolutely love it. So that is the final look. I've just applied some lashes and some clear gloss, and yeah, this is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a good time, and I shall see you all soon. Bye. Peace out.